loves, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be installing this gorgeous unit from Alipearl. So in this bag we have a pair of lashes, edge brush, a HD lace cap, an elastic band, and now let's get into the wig details. So this is a HD lace, 24 inches long, and I got this cap in a size large. So the hairline comes already pre-plucked and bleached just to sit on your head and wrap like it's growing out of your scalp. The curls are loose and juicy. It has an adjustable band in it just to fit your head shape and a comb for proper secure. So this install requires little work and it can be achieved just in 5 minutes. Now I simply just threw on the wig on my head and I'm making sure that the hairline sits properly on my hairline. When installing a wig, nothing excites me more than an already pre-plucked, pre-bleached wig because it's just so easy to install. You guys need to cope yourself one of these wigs because what? After obsessing over this hairline, can we just get into this install? I like to put the hair completely out of my face so I can cut the lace properly without any interruption. And then for cutting the lace, I basically just cut them in sections. That way it's easy for me to follow up with the cuts. And when I do cut, I cut in a zigzag motion because your actual hairline is not straight. Tell me this wig doesn't look like you can already just put it on your head and go. From this alone, I already know that this will be a good install and I am just happy about that. Okay, so I like to clean the makeup on my forehead. That way, the freezing spray just works better. And now I'll be applying the freezing spray on my hairline and drying that with a blow dryer. After that feels tacky, I'll be putting the lace front directly on the area where I sprayed the glue, pressing that down with an edge brush and drying it as I do so. I repeat the same exact step to the other side of the hair. Next step is to use an elastic band to melt that lace down. And now my favorite part is time to play with the curls. I like to do this with a leave-in conditioner and spraying that generously on every part of the hair. Just as I do that, you can see that the curls look better, they look more alive. Now you know you definitely cannot skip this step. After that, I like the top of the hair to look flat and nice, so I use a wax stick and follow that with a hot comb just to press that down and give it a really flat finish. And now let's take out the band. I noticed that there was a little white cast around the edges. That has no cause for concern because a simple baby wipes can just take that off, and then you have your clean install looking nice. Now that the band is off, I like to follow up with the hot comb on the areas that were tied when I was hot combing the rest of the hair. And then the last tip, just for a proper hairline definition, I like to go in with my foundation and create a clean pattern on the parted area. And there we have it guys, simple and easy.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was you more than a summer fling. I said farewell, took it well, promise I'm gonna cry, but some
and we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that you did find this install helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and also give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, Mwah. Bye.
Like you.